Hello good people, I hope you all are doing well. In this video I will show you how to use Google Translate, which is very easy and anybody can use it. First of all, some facts and detail regarding the topic. Well, Google Translate is a multilingual neural machine translation service, of course developed by Google, available on mobile apps like iOS and Android. Date of launch 28 April 2006. Daily users 500 million people daily. Wow, that is huge. Okay, that's enough details. Let's move forward and see how it works. Go to Chrome browser and type Google Translate. So this is how it looks inside. Now we'll go to settings. Yes, this one. Translate setting from English to, let's see what language we can choose. We will set English first. English, where? There it is. Oh, I missed it. Lots of languages are available. Yes, we got English. Now we'll translate to, let's see, Kannada. This is what. Let's see what we can choose. Thai. Okay. Now we'll write something and it will translate it. Let's see what else we can write. Hello. Okay. Hello, how are you? The translation is right in front of you. You can see. Now let's see which country. Yes, Tamil. Now we'll translate into Spanish. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Okay, now we know. Bulgarian. Oh, that's really hard to read. Let's translate to another language. Okay, Arabic. What else we got? Somali. Hello, Sidi. Tahai. Okay. Now you have already chosen Thai. Filipino. Hello, kumusta ka? Now we know how to say hello in Filipino. What else? Okay. Uzbek. Salam Kalaysan. Oh. Persian. Oh, it's hard to read. All Arabic. We should work on it. Hawaiian. Aloha Pihi O. Okay, hard to read. German. Hello, we get there. Oh, it's really hard to read. Guys, let's see what we got. Malay. Hello, apa kabar? Okay. What else? Latin. Salve quam vos. Okay. What more? Croatian. Bokakosi. Okay. That's pretty easy. So Talofa or my oh man, that's really hard to read. Okay guys, that is it for today. I hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.